I like to think of messy forests as nature's art studio. There's scattered branches like scattered pencils and brushes. Leaves are thrown everywhere like sketches. There's some seemingly half-finished sculptures, and so many random splashes of color. It's like a never-ending cycle of just this creative, chaotic masterpiece. And when a forest has all this mess, I guess it's similar to an artist studio. The more mess, the more creation, the better. Right, Bambi? All right, let's go. A creative mess is also the state that I've been in for the past couple weeks. Just messing around, making things with wood and different materials. From restoring axes to making furniture, to following an intrusive creative thought. Following a random creative idea often surprises you. This chair is made from red alder. Red alder gets its name from an interesting change that happens when it's cut open. When the fresh wood gets exposed to air, it begins to oxidize. Turning from an off-white color to a rich red-orange hue. And here's that same chair 2 weeks later. As you can see, oxidization has taken place. Red alder is a relatively smooth wood to chop. Lovely. It's also great for growing mushrooms. So these logs were felled around 1 month ago, which means that they're in good time to start growing some mushrooms. We're going to start by drilling a bunch of holes. So now we're going to plug the holes with these spawn plugs. Spawn plugs are wooden dowels that have been colonized with mushroom mycelium. These ones specifically are for growing shiitake mushrooms.
And once we've got more than enough plugs set, we're going to cover them with some food-grade wax to protect them from insects and unwanted bacteria. And so now we wait anywhere from 6 months to around 2 years until we start seeing some mushrooms. Patience is a good lesson in nature. And as we wait for the things we want to grow to start sprouting, there are some things that we don't want to start growing that are kind of invading the ecosystem. Like Daphne, also known as spurge laurel. Unlike red alder, this is an invasive species to the Pacific Northwest. It can really dominate an area and take away resources from native species. The plant also contains a lot of toxins that can cause swelling, skin irritations, nausea, and just unpleasant issues. So we need full coverage and protection while we're removing the Daphne. Okie dokie. Sometimes you come across something that sparks up a creative idea. Follow that spark. So the idea is to make this antler into a knife handle, which I've never done before. So we're just gonna try this and see how it goes. Common theme of just mess around and find out. Okie dokie. Okay, this is the part that I've been dreading. This is where it could all go really wrong. Let's do this. The length of the blade just wasn't the most practical. So I burnt and broke off the tip. So I'm trying to get the antler to have a bit more of a kind of brown stain to it. So I'm soaking it in coffee, oil, and dirt. And don't let this editing fool you. It took a long time, and for most of the process, I was kind of just making it up as I go. Most of the time, I really have no idea what I'm doing. But I think it turned out okay. Okay, the pattern has changed so much on this. Now there. Just need to I'm gonna prop you up a bit more. Yeah, I think that kind of works. Here we go with our. This is our. This is our little tripod. Is the mic recording? Test, test, test. Okay, it is. This is our little tripod. Oh, there's Bambi. There she is. Okie dokie. So I was just editing this video that you've been watching, and it's just a bunch of random segments that I just randomly filmed over the past couple weeks. I bring my camera with me like everywhere, so just the most random stuff gets captured without an idea of where where that footage is gonna go or how it's gonna be made into something. So I'm just gonna try to summarize and conclude this with a common theme. And I feel like the theme for this is the theme for most of my videos, which is just go outside, go mess around and make things, get creative, move, and thanks for watching. Now go outside.